In this video, you'll learn how to set up your Levana Oma Sense movement monitor. This includes how to install the included battery and a walkthrough of the buttons and LEDs found on the device. When you first open the box and remove the Oma Sense, the battery will not be installed. Remove the small parts warning sticker from the battery door on the underside of the monitor. Use a large coin to turn the battery cover counterclockwise. Insert the battery with the positive side facing up. Replace the battery door and turn it clockwise until it locks into place. We recommend Panasonic CR2450 batteries, the same as included with the monitor. Turn on Oma Sense by pressing the Power On button, located on the left of the device. When the device is turned on, it will go through a self-test to ensure all features are working. This will activate all indicator lights, vibrations, and sounds. This self-test lasts for a few seconds. When the green lights flash at the end of the self-test, Oma Sense is ready to go. The blue LED will flash continuously for approximately 30 seconds, and then flash every 30 seconds to indicate that Oma Sense is monitoring baby's movement. Turn off Oma Sense by pressing the Power Off button, located on the right of the device. The device will check the battery status when powering off. A green flash indicates the battery is good. A red flash indicates the battery needs to be changed before next use. We've included an additional battery with your unit. When Oma Sense turns off, monitoring will stop. On the face of the monitor, you will find 3 LED icons. Battery indicator. Reassurance indicator. Flashes blue every 30 seconds to let you know the device is turned on and monitoring. Alert indicator. Flashes red when no motion is detected. For more helpful tips and resources, visit mylevana.com. Worry less. Do more.